Meaning of D.Litt.
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 D.Litt. D.Litt stands for Doctor of Letters, which is an academic degree awarded by various universities in recognition of outstanding achievement in the field of literature. It is typically awarded to scholars who have made significant contributions to the advancement of knowledge in literature through research, publication, and teaching. The D.Litt degree is considered one of the highest academic accolades in the field of literature. Recipients of the degree often use the title doctor or doctor before their name as a mark of distinction and recognition of their expertise in the field.